Hey everybody, it's Zombie Glasgow here. I don't know what the team is doing, but I'm gonna give you a tutorial how to get Unity and make it create your own Gorilla Tag game and even get Photon VR. So first, how to get Unity? You start with Unity Hub. Click on this and then don't and just wait until the download comes. And then you get a file. Wait, I can't find it. But anyways, you get a thing that that calls Unity Hub setup until and now you scroll down, click on this. It will bring you to here. So make sure you press download LTS thing and then scroll down to 2019 version. Now open this and then click on this. And then after you make this setup, here's a clip of it.
After launching the Hub setup, you'll be presented with Unity's license agreement. Next, you'll be prompted for a location to install the Unity Hub application on your hard drive. Once the Hub installation is complete, click Finish to run Unity Hub.
After seeing the clip, after you got to there, you should be here. And now, when you downloaded the LTS release 1920 4.40 F1, you better download the setup thing. Now, after you done the setup, you can have this in here. Now go to projects, click new project, and then choose any location that you want. Now I'm gonna do my project name tutorial. Wait, I spelled that wrong. Okay, now I done this. So let's create project. It would load like this. Now you should be in here. So go to edit, project settings. Now XR plugin management. Install XR plugin management. It will show this. It would take for a while. So let's cut it right here. After you're right here, you click on Oculus. If you have something else, press Open XR. If you have it. But if you want to make a mobile, you can go here and then press Oculus too. Now let's go to Oculus. So this PC version goes normal. We must go to low overhead mode and phase syncs. Make sure these are two things that are on. Now press the system splash screen and do any picture that you want. But first you must go to your file, pictures, and choose any picture that you want. I'm gonna use my profile picture from YouTube. Now I can open and type in YouTube now, or just drag it in. Doesn't matter, but we're gonna be on this one. So for now, we're gonna, after that is done, go out of the thing. Now press save, and now press window, and then press package manager, and then go to, hold on. Now pressing we have you press XR interaction toolkit and then press install. While it's installing, you should have something like this. After this is going to be done downloading, you press yes, and then you wait until this is imported, and then press I made a backup. Go ahead, and it will might mostly likely restart your thing, and then you wait until it pops up. After it's loaded back in, you should go back to XR interaction toolkit. Yeah, here. If you go to samples and then go to starter assets and then import the project. After that, you done that, go back to assets and then go to the link in the description to get a file. Here's the thing, gorilla location motion, and then now you press import. It looks so blank here, so let's remove main camera and then get a cube. After you got the cube, go to here, scale tool, and then stretch it out like this size, and then stretch out from here also. Now it should look like this. Boring, huh? So let's make it a little bit bigger. That's better. Now let's present you for materials. Materials, how to spell it is like this, I think. Now you get new material. You can do any color you like. I'm gonna do green as for the floor. So here's the floor. Now we're gonna make a wall bouncing thing. My headset, my headphones are low battery. My mic will cut off soon. So here. So let's make another material. So let's material and then type in any color you like again. I'm gonna do blue and blue right here. Now I made blue, so now it looks like this empty. So if we're gonna have something cool, we must have a mirror and an obstacle course. The obstacle course will be hard to do, but we must do it. So let's bring up here. So the other color that I want to do is new material to red. You can do any color you like. Now make the block red, make it a little flat, and then now you can put it right here. Now you do Control D, this bring it out. Now I have the obstacle course going. So I'm going to speed it up. And right now. After that's finished, we should make a mirror now. How to make the mirror? We must do 2 cubes, but only 1 cube because we can duplicate it. Now let's make a new color for this one. I will make it any color. You can make it any color you like. Mine is going to be black. And then, yeah. Now I made it black. Now let's make it wide. Now, if it looks like this. Now we should get a render texture. Now you can press Ctrl D. It will be duplicate, and then now you can put it like this. Now put new render on it. It would look like nothing, but we must make. But first we must put our person down. Resources, Gorilla Tag Rig. Now we have the Gorilla Tag Rig. It's going to be looking right over there. So now let's put a camera now. Camera. It shouldn't be looking that way, so let's fix the rotation to put it at 170 and bring it down left, just like right into the middle. If it looks tilted, you can fix it. So that means let's do 179. Okay, now it's straight. Now can you see target texture? Let's go back to materials, back to camera, do rendered texture, and then now like this. It looks upside down, so let's fix that. Now it looks like this, but we have something wrong. Now it's supposed to be 180. Now let's bring it back a little bit forward. Now higher and wider. Now it looks like this. Looks a bit backwards, so let's do this. Alright, now it looks like this. Should be like this. Now we should add Photon. If you don't know what Photon is, it's a Photon is a multiplayer thing. So if you add this to it, it will work. So you go in the Unity store, asset store. You go to type in pun 2-free. After you've done that, you press download and then import to and open in Unity, and then it should go back to here. I already have it, so let me find it in Package Manager and my projects. Photon. Now press import. After that, you press import. You will see this. I made a backup. Go ahead. After that, it will show this. Don't press skip, or don't press the X or skip. You should go to the Photon website. You better log in and then go to dashboard. After you got into the dashboard, you press the plus sign, create a new app. Now let's select the Photon SDK pun application name. Type the name that you have your project as. Mine is tutorial. After you got the name, you can skip the description and even the URL. Now press create. Now press create a new app. Now voice, and then do the same name as last time. As in the same thing, you skip the description and URL. Now you press create. So now here's the app ID. I'm going to blur it so no one can see. Now I put in the ID. Now you press setup project and then press close. Now you go back to Photon to voice. You can actually don't press download and save to do it. Now after that you press import. After that was imported, you can go back to the thing and then go to robot Kyle. You press download and then open to in Unity and then it will show it to you. You must go. It will bring you to this and then you press import and then press import again. After the thing is imported, you can remove this or it might automatically remove it for you. But so now it looks good, but something is off. But we need something. In the link in the link of the description, I will show you where the other Photon VR Unity package is. But here it is. You press import. After that was imported, you can go to no, wait. I finally got it. Go to resources, Photon VR, double click player. If it says this TMP importer, press import TMP essentials, and then that's it. Okay, I found out that you can make the sun cycle round. So get a C hashtag script and then call it sun rotates and double click on it. It will bring you to here or any uh thing that you wanted with and I can't speak. So now you press save as sun rotates. You can replace it or just press save. It might not work for me, but I do it this way. Now it should look like this now. For now you click on the directional light. Sun rotates into here. Then current time. Choose any time. I'm gonna do 24. No, not 24. Right now, you put the day length seconds to 60, or maybe 300 or 80. I don't know. As you can see, it's the thing is slowly rotating. It's glitched for right now, but if I can fix it, probably I would. But anyways, the sky sandbox is glitching my thing, so I might need to do. Okay, I changed the skybox, so it should be working. This day and night cycle should be working now. As you can see, it's changing. After 1 minute, it's going to be night. As you can see, that it's night time for it, but I don't think it's turning night on the skybox. So we're gonna try to see if can do this. So make this default. Let's do a game thing. So I don't think the computer, that one computer, the name computer is, I think it's not working, but I will might fix it later.